Hello, I'm Aki. I'm going to make kimono gown. This is pattern. For making kimono, normally we don't make the pattern of paper, but just I make this pocket. And this one for sleeve. Okay, start sewing. So first of all, color. There are two. So only one side of this side put together and sew here. After you sew in, this color is really long. Next one is belt. Fold half and then going to sew this and then this corner, hold like this, and then iron, yep, as well. This corner, it's better to just put inside like this. Put your finger, use your finger. And the ruler out. And this side, put in the edge and just sew here. And after that, of course, you should do that ironing. Next, you wanna put the pocket onto the body parts. At the 15 centimeters pocket mark, the pocket with pins. After you sew this much, do that edging sew. Then turn it like this and use ironing here. Then just you sew that this much. After you did 4 pockets on the every 15 centimeter part for the pocket separately, we're gonna put this sleeve on the body. So this is the sleeve. This is the shoulder point, top of the shoulder, in the middle of the sleeve. And this is body material. So going to sew like this. So I put the sleeve on the body. When you sew the ending the edge, it's good idea to use like this. I use the baking paper. If you don't have it, you can also use the newspaper. It's also good. So holding, just cut little bit, and then I use the double paper like this. Hold up double paper, and just sewing together. Zigzag, zigzag, zig. So without paper is this one. With paper like this, quite different. So you put the 4 pockets on the body and 2 sleeves on the body of the shoulder. Now sewing sleeve side lines. Then ending the edge. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. After the side of the sleeve, here is the armpit. Under the armpit to pocket, sewing and zigzag, 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 zigzag. From armpit to the pocket, from pocket, side of the pocket, sew in this curve. And then zigzag, 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 zigzag. This side is body. And under the pocket, sewing up to the bottom. This will be a hem of the body. And then zigzag, 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 zigzag at the edge. Zigzag, 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 zigzag up to bottom. You may not need to sew this much. This is for the belt. So fold up. Then each time should do that ironing. Thank you for watching. This is kimono gown, making kimono gown part 1. So I'm going to make making kimono gown part 2 very soon. Thank you for watching. See you then. Bye.